Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the BOQ Bank application on your mobile device. To download the BOQ or Bank of Queensland application on your mobile device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are connected, go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for BOQ in the search box. Once you search for BOQ in the search bar, look for this application that says My BOQ. Tap on it and then you'll end up in this page from where you can easily download the application on your mobile device. BOQ or Bank of Queensland is an Australian retail bank that offers varieties of banking and financial services, including savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and much more. Once you find this application, simply tap on the Get button to begin the download process. If you're using an Android device, tap on the Install button found right beneath or right beside the app. Once your download starts, wait until it's installed as well, and there you'll have your BOQ application downloaded for your mobile device. It is that simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if it is. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.